Combining and filtering data from different Google Sheets doesn't have to be a headache. In this video, we're breaking down the integration of import range and query. And for those dealing with larger-than-life datasets, we have an alternative, so you don't have to deal with the limitations of import range. To use the import range function in Google Sheets, follow these steps. In the destination sheet, select the cell where you want the imported data to appear. Type import range in the selected cell, where source sheet URL is the URL of the source sheet. Range is the specific range of cells you want to import. Press Enter. If it's your first time using import range, you'll be prompted to grant permission for the function to access the source sheet. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the authorization process. Once authorized, the specified data range from the source will be imported into the destination, and any changes made to the source data will automatically reflect in the destination sheet. The query function allows filtering and sorting spreadsheet data in powerful ways reminiscent of SQL database queries. Type query. Replace range with the range of cells you want to query and condition with your specific filter condition. In this case, I only want to filter the closed-won leads, so I can calculate the month's commission of my employees. If you need to go deeper into any of these two, follow the links in the description below. Together, import range and query provide powerful options for filtering scenarios between different spreadsheets. Use the nesting technique when combining two formulas. Make sure your import range formula is working and then add your query to filter your dataset. Instead of calling the columns by their alphabetical name, reference them using col plus number of the column. In this case, column B equals col 2 and column G equals col 7. Combining formulas can be very powerful, but if you're handling large amounts of data and spreadsheets, your formulas are going to get long and your number of errors longer. Let's see how to handle this same scenario with Sheetgo, where you can achieve this same result with multiple spreadsheets. Start by signing up for Sheetgo, following the link in the description below. Once you're in, click on New Workflow and create Connection. Name your workflow and choose multiple files as your source data. You can choose multiple files or files from a folder. After granting Sheetgo permission, choose all your files. Under Advanced Settings, toggle on the option to add a new column, so you can identify where the source data is from. Now for data processing, select Merge as your first data processor. This combines all your files into one. Then add a filter by query. Type in your query and click on Done Editing. Choose your destination file and click on Finish and Save. There you have it. Don't forget to automate your workflow. This ensures you always have the latest data at your fingertips as frequently as you need it. That's how you can merge and filter your data for both small and large datasets. Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, or visit sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.